Another thing which PYQ tells us is nature of the questions. Current application. To be very honest, we are not exaggerating. For past 2 years, we were expecting a question, role of ethics in artificial intelligence. For past 2 years, we were providing the content, thinking that kabhi to puchenge, because this is a probable topic. Last year, finally they asked. So this is something we were expecting. तो इसको आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि बिल्कुल ही लिटरली करंट बेस्ड आया, क्योंकि एथिक्स में एक टॉपिक है जिसका नाम है डायमेंशंस ऑफ एथिक्स, एंड विद इन डायमेंशंस व्हाट यू प्रिपेयर इज applied ethics. So when you are preparing applied ethics, then for example bioethics, environmental ethics, media ethics, ethics in artificial intelligence, these are the expected questions which one should be prepared with.